Ugh. It's a motherfucking book. For some reason, my latest thing is vlogging while walking or running or whatever, and thinking about random things that bother me or have bothered me throughout the day. I'm not entirely sure why the outdoor vloggy environment gives me such a feeling, but that is the case. Concern number one, my counselor told me that working in a bookstore is not something I should rely on, and that it is unlikely that they will remain for a while longer. She says that Amazon is canceling them out, Borders has gone out of business, and Barnes & Noble is going out of business, which I honestly did not know, but if that's the case, then I don't know. She said I would do much better working somewhere else. And while I know that she has a point, I still would wish to be able to work at a bookstore, because those in libraries are pretty much the only places in which I may have some sort of knowledge on what I'm doing. So that kind of discouraged me. Concern number two, this one is a bit more urgent / pressing. I think it might be starting to rain soon because I feel the thunder breeze. But I checked the weather and it said 10% chance, so I'm hoping probability is on my side for this one. Looks eerie. Lush vegetation, and a single age-ridden branch peeking out in between. Seems kind of poetic, but I'm not sure how. Think of my neon pink sausage pants. For some reason, they make me look slimmer than I am. No idea why. I would expect black pants to do that, but I don't know. I believe that this is actually the shirt that I wore on the day my mom gave me this necklace, which was New Year's 2015. And on Easter, she gave me the V charm as well, so I added that to it. That knot has been there since the beginning, by the way. But I think this is the same shirt. It's that V-neck, the blue one from Forever 21. So if so, that's cool. This is a very stupid thing to be interested in, but for some reason, the perseverance of nature always interests me, especially in cases like these, where there's a paved road, but then leaves and bush break through and continue to grow. And for some reason, I think that's also poetic in a way that I cannot explain. I wish I could. Then I would have less problems with my... What is that? Oh, phew. I thought that was blood. Okay, bye. Do you see those birds? They're fighting. This is really pretty. I have more concerns, but I'm going into a people-y area. I don't want to bother people, and I don't want to be the crazy who talks to herself. / camera / you know what I mean. The wind is really nice right now. So pretty. So calm. No one's outside. These pants are really weird. They have a butt pocket, and it's not even like a normal butt pocket, but it's like a zippered thing that's parallel with the ground in which I keep my phone. I may show you if I figure out a non-porny way to do so. Not that I mind that kind of stuff. It's just I'm 17, so. A lonely yellow poof. Poof. Also, I apologize with my obsession over zooming in and zooming out and focusing things multiple times. I don't know why, but I like the quality of it, but oh well. Look, a bug on my breast. Maybe a pattern in today's walk. A branch of dead leaves hanging amidst healthy green blossoms. I don't know. Lightning strikes? Possession? Who knows? Est-ce que vous voudrez de l'eau? Oui. Right there. There's an airplane up there. Do you see it? Right there. Hear that, teens? Only 25. No thanks. Well, in a good way, yes, but not in a creepy way. That's gross. I met up with a friend